Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Today, we've got something incredibly valuable for you: the Stellar Data Recovery Software, known as the best online data recovery solution in the market. In this video, we'll explore the features, benefits, and real user experiences to help you make an informed decision. So, let's dive right in. Stellar Data Recovery Software is designed to recover lost or deleted files from various storage devices, making it a lifesaver for anyone dealing with data loss issues. Whether it's important documents, cherished photos, or crucial files, Stellar promises to bring them back to life. Now, let's take a closer look at the standout features of this software. Stellar simplifies the recovery process with its user-friendly interface. It's as easy as choosing what to recover and from where. Whether you've lost office documents, photos, emails, videos, or any other file type, Stellar has got you covered. It's compatible with various Windows versions, including Windows 10, 8.1, 8, 7, Vista, and even XP. Stellar can recover data from a variety of devices, including hard drives, SD cards, USBs, cameras, formatted partitions, and camcorders. A fantastic feature that allows you to see a preview of recoverable files before you decide to save them. In conclusion, Stellar Data Recovery Software is a powerful tool that can be a real lifesaver when it comes to retrieving lost or deleted files. However, it's important to be aware of the potential issues with activation codes and pricing. If you decide to give Stellar a try, I recommend buying it from Amazon and contacting their support for a working activation code if needed. Remember, your experience may vary depending on your specific situation. That's it for today's review of the Stellar Data Recovery Software. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews, and share your thoughts and experiences with us in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.